It's the morning of September 22nd, and we've just finished pouring about 14 yards of concrete. This is our property line wall, and we have a couple steps in it. This is the direction that we poured. The concrete truck is still here. They're just cleaning out now. This wall, this 90-foot wall, took an entire truckload. This is where, now that we poured, that's where the pipe, wow, not very good video, where the pipe for my electricity for the pilasters is coming out. So if we look closely, this is not a shadow, that's a piece of number 4 steel. I set the height of where I want the concrete to go with a piece of number 4 steel, and all we have to do is trowel and make it level perpendicularly, this way, make it level, and trowel off flush to the piece of steel. So we're going to have a pilaster here. That's what the pieces of PVC are for. That's for lighting. This also will serve as a junction box. So my neighbor has a gate that's coming up here. I'm going to give him a pilaster as well. That's matching the same size, and I've even given him a piece of conduit for lighting. So if he wants to put light up there, it's something he's capable of doing. So that 90 feet is over. This is almost exactly where the truck took us. Let me spin back the other way. That 90 feet was poured in one truck. And then we've got a 30-foot section right here. We just started 10 minutes ago. You can still see the line. That's what we're troweling to. We're not troweling to the piece of plywood. The piece of plywood just holds the concrete back. That was deep there. Here is relatively shallow. So once the concrete starts setting up, we're just going to go in with a trowel and cut a line so it's nice and clean. So we're going to ultimately end up putting a gate in our property at some point. This is going to be a 28-inch square pilaster. The other ones, this one, the traditional size, is 20 inches. So I can move up to the right. That's our 20-inch pilaster here, and over here on the left. So we've gone ahead and tied the concrete into the driveway footing. That right here is the driveway footing that we'll probably address in a couple months. Now let me go back. Once we were done here, we went to our final 60 feet. Which is right here. And we actually started on the far side, doesn't really matter. But same type of format. This one has a slope, just like that other 30 feet did. And so the steel was set according to where I think when I put block in, I'll get a nice easy step. And then, well, it'll be easier to see once you see what happens in a couple of weeks. And this is the end.